Assistant Professor, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see the business model canvas of Caplin Point Laboratory. The Caplin Point Laboratory was established in the year 1919 and their headquarters are located in Chennai. And beginning they was started to manufacturing the cream and ointment, but in now they are going to OTC related drugs and generic drugs. So in business model Canva, which has a revenue of 1300 crores and which is established in 550 plus countries and 700 plus products, and their key partners are contract manufacturer in India, API raw material suppliers and country level exclusive distributor across the Latin America and Africa and Southeast Asia. So they are regulatory consult in multi-country dosal filling. So their key activities are drug formulation, manufacturing and strict quality control, and they have the regulatory filling across 80 plus countries and branded marketing and medical rep deployed in frontier marketing. So the medical reps are most commonly employed in fronted markets. And next one, value proposition. In their value proposition we can see they are most common, they are always produce the affordable price range of generic drugs. So high quality formulation at the price point accessible at frontier market. So they have affordable price market, they have affordable price market, but they have the high quality of formulations and emerging market focus. Those are mostly focused there in developing countries. So their products are mostly sold in developing countries and wide therapeutic range. So they are creating the formulating drug like anti-infectives, injectable, OTCs and derma. So this most of the needed are treatment categories, and their regulatory agilities, in-house dossier library enable fast approval across 80 plus countries. And next their channels and customer segments. In channels and customer segments we see their 50% of the revenues are generated from the Latin American countries, and now it is growing fast in Francophone Africa. Francophone Africa means French speaking African countries, and now it is expanded to the Southeast Asian countries. So their channels, the direct sales employed, force employed in key markets, exclusive country distribution partnership and government tender binding and MOH. Their customer based segment, they have wholesale and distribution in frontier market, government and MOH institutional buyers, and their private hospitals and clinics and pharmacies. So in price sensitive customer seeking branded quality. So they mostly concentrated in price. They provide medicine in high quality at low price. In their cost structure and revenue stream, in their cost structure, the 35% are they spent in raw material and API, and manufacturing they are and quality control they spent 20%, and sales and marketing they spent 80%, and regulatory and R&D they spent only 10%, because they are focusing already marketed drug. They are not manufactured or formulated new drugs, they are marketed and manufactured in already available OTC drugs, and their logistic is 80%. In revenue streams, their 50% or revenues are generated from the Latin American countries. They were first started their exporting their medicine in Latin American countries. So now it is an expanded, or now it is fast growing in African and South Asian export. They generated 25%, and domestic Indian formulation 50%, and API scales and licensing is 10%. So these are the revenue and cost structures of an Caplin Point Laboratory. So which is one of the leading export laboratory or leading export manufacturing formulation company in India. So these are the business model canvas of Caplin Point Laboratory. Thank you.